Here's how to find and replace text inside of Google Sheets. We could go and find everywhere that it says Marco, but you can see that there's some inconsistent lettering. So we can do Command F and find Marco, and it's going to find each and every one of these. But how do we just change them all at once? Well, from Command F, we can click more options and we get this find and replace menu. Also, up in the edit menu, here is find and replace, and that gets you to the exact same place. So we can find Marco, and here in replace with is what we're going to replace it with. So let's say we want every Marco to be capital M Marco. Well, if we match case, then we're only going to find the Marcos that are all lowercase, or if we type in all uppercase, we'll only find the ones that are all uppercase. So we don't want to match case. Also, we could match the entire cell contents, and in this particular case, it might make sense because Marco might be mentioned in some other ways, in some notes or something, and we don't care about the lettering there or capitalization. We just want to fix this particular assign to. Another way to make sure we're only looking at this C column is to change the search to specific range, and here we can enter C:C on sheet 1. So we may not have to match the entire cell contents. We may just select the specific range we want to search. Now, if Marco is inside of a formula, we would have to select also search within formulas, but we don't need to for this particular case. But all we have to do is click replace all, and we see that all of the Marcos now are the correct capitalization. You can see there's some others as well, like Jess and Lila, and we can go here, find Jess, replace with Jess with a capital J, same column, replace all, and as well do that with Lila, replace all, and there we go. We're now cleaning our data very easily and very quickly instead of having to find each and every one of these and edit it one by one. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.